Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add Salesforce in resume. Let's begin. Including Salesforce in the resume effectively can make a significant difference, especially if you're applying for roles that values CRM experience, Salesforce development, or even admin skills. Now, we have a separate video on how to apply jobs here in Salesforce that you might want to check in our channel. So basically, just click on the search jobs. For example, you are interested as an account executive in Singapore, or maybe a regional sales director enterprise in Australia, or maybe someone as an account executive in Argentina. If you want to click on this specific job posting, all right, you want to make sure that the location is perfectly within your scope. The description aligns with your skills, goals, and your needs. And the mission here and the requirements, obviously. All right, you want to make sure you have all of this expertise. Once you are happy with this and I think you can basically make this kind of career, and you wanted to add your resume or add Salesforce on your resume, you might want to click on the Join the Talent Community. What will happen is you would be forwarded here in the application form. This is the part wherein you need to add the Salesforce on your resume. All right, you can upload file with the following types: doc, PDF, PNG, JPEG, and a lot more. Now, I'm going to be using another platform, which is Canva, and they have a lot of particularly interesting and creative resume that we can use. For example, I'm going to be looking at this one right here. If you think this is for you, you might want to click on the continue this template. Standard paper, premium paper, and a lot more. Okay? I'm going to click on customize this template. And of course, you can put in as much as information as you can. In this case, I have all of these want to make sure I'm gonna change this into that. I'm gonna change the image by clicking on uploads. I'm gonna upload our logo. This logo is gonna be our image instead. All right, so this is gonna be this. And I'm not a product designer. For example, I'm gonna be a content creator. Now, on the experience, you might want to highlight Salesforce skills in the skills section right here. For example, a skill summary, right? Now, if you have a strong Salesforce skills or certifications, list them in a skills section near the top of your resume. This makes it easier for recruiters and applicant tracking systems or ADS to see your relevant skills. What I'm going to do is delete the experience right here. Put in the, I'm going to zoom this out for you guys. Say this, okay? And I'm gonna highlight all of the information here. I'm gonna delete some of the information. All right, so after doing that, you can add in some more information as you go along the way for, say, for example, the experience and work history. All right. After doing so, you have multiple options in sharing your PDF. You can click on share. You can simply click on see all. You can copy the public link of this Canva resume. You can put in, you can save it in Google Drive, Dropbox, MindDrive, PowerPoint, or Box. But for now, what I'm going to do is click and download. There's going to be multiple options. Remember that I'm going to switch quickly to the Salesforce application profile. It says here that Salesforce accepts doc, PDF, PNG, JPEG, and a lot more, or even GIF, or HEIC and HEIF with a maximum size of 7 MB. Switching over again to the Canva, and here all I have to do is click on PDF if you wanted, suggested for the best documents and emailing. I'm gonna click on it, click on download, and I'm going to upload that to the Salesforce. Now here, I'm going to choose a file. All right, so the file has been chosen. All you have to do now is fill in as much as information as you can. This is very important. You can use a full name, Provide your email, current location, preferred language. Select an option if you want. Your company, mobile phone number, job title, link and URL, which is optional, but of course it adds value to your resume. All right. Select an option and all of that. Now, if you don't have any Canva account, you can always go to resume.io. It's one of the best ultimate builder for resume, which is free. You can build beautiful recruiter tested resumes in a few clicks. All right. And of course, the resume is builder is powerful and easy to use with a range of amazing functions. If you click on the try for free option, say for example, I'm going to use this template right here in the middle. All right, you can connect your social profile if you wanted, like your Facebook, Google, LinkedIn, which is very important to add value. If you don't want that, just click on skip option, add your name, and click on continue. Of course, you need to put in the information, which is click on continue. Wait for it. Now, you can create new resume, create with AI assistance, use an example or upload a resume. What I'm going to do is create with AI assistance. For example, I'm going to type in Salesforce click on skip. Now, the AI assistant will do its work for you. All right? Wait for it. And this is the most important part in adding Salesforce in our resume, which is the highlight of our video. Wait for it. It'll take a little while. But at least you have like more information here because you can include all of these under a skills or achievement sections, especially if you have completed a high number of badges or relevant super badges. All right. Now, you see, these are going to be some of the highlights that you can work with. Now, all I have to do is click the three dots button here, export to docx, export the text, or you can simply click on the download PDF section. All right. So these are some of the examples. Click on create AI. And after that, you would be able to upload again the PDF on your resume. And by adding Salesforce to your resume, you can showcase a sought-after skill set that can significantly enhance your appeal to potential employers, improve your chances of landing a desired role, and open doors to career opportunities. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.